Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, you can call me Serene. I want to wish you a happy new year, and I hope you were able to spend that time with family, friends, doing whatever it is you were looking to do this year. And with the new year, I wanted to take some time to reset and clean out 2024. I have a bunch of jars that need some cleaning, so I'm going to take some time to clean those out and make some new candles for my crib for the year. And I also have some old wax from last year that I use for some experiments, making some new candles and everything. I'm gonna be using that to make the new candles. So let's get right to it. Not gonna lie, these are pretty dirty, but I am definitely gonna take my time to clean them really well and making sure that I can use them again for some new candles. I could have thrown all of these jars away, but at the end of the day, if I am gonna make new candles, why not keep them and save me some money in the long run with not having to purchase some new candle jars. So for the cleaning, I'm just gonna use some hot water, pour it into the jars, and since the water and the wax is not gonna mix, the wax is gonna rise to the top, and I'm gonna let that cool down, then wash them with soap and water. It's very simple, very easy. Anybody can do this. You just need some hot water and soap and water. I'm gonna fill this pot up with the water, put it on the stove top, let it boil, and then take some from it and add it to each jar gradually, and then let it cool down. And as it turns out, I have more jars right here that need to be cleaned. So I'm just gonna bring these out for the process. These are pretty small, but they're perfect tea lights for like when I'm doing self-care in the bathroom and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the ones that I can and clean them as well. All right guys, now that I'm done picking out the old ones from that other pack, my water's almost done, but I wanted to show you guys how much wax that I had from last year. I don't know if this is a lot or not, but I think it is. I think this might actually be from like over the years because I try to recycle everything. So when I make a candle and I don't like it, I don't just simply throw it away. I keep it so that I can do things like this where I make new candles out of old ones. This is what it looks like. They're very old candles, like bubble candles that I made. We're gonna use all of this. My water is starting to boil. I'm gonna use this soon just to pour into the jars over here. Water is boiled, so we're gonna start with the big jars. Just take some water and pour it into each one. This is what's happening with the wax. Once it melts, it's just rising to the top. So now they all have some water in them. Wax is rising to the top. But something I like to do when the wax is rising to the top, for the ones that have like a lot of wax at the bottom, is use a type of spoon or a wooden stick to scrape the bottom so all the wax can come up faster, so I can hurry the process and get on to the next step. So that's what I'm about to do now, using this so I can just get some of the bottom off. Like this one right here. Yeah, you can see the wax is going to the top. So that's what I'm going to be doing for them to hurry the process so I don't have to wait forever for the wax to melt. All right guys, now that all of these have melted, the next thing I'm gonna do is clean these jars out. What I'm gonna do is take out the hard wax and throw it straight in the trash. And the wax that's not fully hard yet, I'm just gonna pour it down the drain and then pour some hot water on top so it can melt. But I'm definitely gonna be using some gloves for this part because I don't want my hands and the wax to get under my nails and everything. It's gonna be a little annoying. So gloved up, and this is the first one that I'll be pouring out. Once I get the water out, I'm scraping everything out. So like that. This is the wax. I'm just gonna throw that away. I'm gonna wash this with soap and water and then I'll be done. But I have to do this for all of these jars, so I'm just gonna clean them all out of the wax first, then wash them with soap and water all together. Done with the little jars. Wax is right there. We have the big ones left, which shouldn't take long. All right, y'all, the hard part is over. These are all my jars. Next thing is just washing them with soap and water. This is the wax that I removed from them. You see it's kind of dirty, so I'm gonna throw that away and get to washing. I'm just gonna be using Dawn dish soap to wash them with. You see this? It's pretty dirty. Some soap in there, some water, and I just rub it away. This is the benefit of using soy wax. See that? All clean. Only thing left is to remove the label, which can easily be done with your hands. The water kind of melts it away so that you don't have to do anything extra for it. Same thing with the warning sticker at the bottom. All right, our jar is very clean. I'm gonna be doing that for all of this right here to get them all clean like this. Got these clean so far. And we have this left. Dawn is doing me really good right now. All right, guys, it's over. The jars are all clean. Let me show you. You can see they're all clean. All it took was some dish soap and some hot water. See that? See through. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I am gonna dry these jars using just a towel. In the next video, I will show you how I make some new candles with the old wax that I showed you from earlier. If you wanna see that, make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.